Namaste friends. Today let us make prawns fried rice. This is very simple to make but at the same time very tasty. This is filled with vegetables, so even children would like to eat this. Very flavorful also. Now let us start making this. For this I have taken 400 grams of prawns. Washed thoroughly with turmeric powder and salt. Now let us marinate this. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and salt as per your taste and just mix this. Let the salt and pepper get along with the prawns. Now add 1 teaspoon of vinegar to this and just mix well and keep it aside for 5 to 6 minutes. After that, in a hot pan add 2 tablespoons of oil and let us fry the prawns, the marinated prawns. The prawns will get cooked very fast. When one side is done, just turn it over to the other side. When both sides are done, just take it out and keep it aside. Good flavor of prawns coming. Now keep it aside. Now let us start making the rice, fried rice. In a hot pan add sesame oil. Sesame oil will be very flavorful for this recipe. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic, chopped finely. When the garlic turns its color, add the chopped onions. Here I have taken 1 large size onions chopped. Now just saute this. This onion need not turn its color. When it becomes soft, we start adding the vegetables. Let us add one by one. Now first add 1 cup of chopped carrot and 1 cup of capsicum. I have taken green and also little of red capsicum. Just mix well. Now 1 cup of cabbage chopped. Just mix well and saute well. Now add salt as per your taste. You can see now this is very colorful. Now I have taken 2 eggs. Just beat the eggs well. Add little salt to this and beat well. Now when the vegetables become soft, just keep this on one side and now add the beaten egg to this. We are going to scramble the egg now. So slowly mix and scramble the egg. When this is done, just mix with the vegetables. Mix all together. Now this is done. Now let us add the fried prawns to this and mix well. Now here I am adding the green chilli sauce, 1 teaspoon of green chilli sauce. This is little spicy. If you want to have more spice, you can add 2 teaspoons of green chilli sauce. Now I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice cooked now. This we have to cook only 80%. We need not cook this fully. Just 80% you have to cook this rice. And now mix well with the vegetables and egg. Now let us add the soya sauce. Soya sauce, I am using the light soya sauce. If you are using the thick soya sauce, the color of the rice may change. So it's up to you. You can use any type of soya sauce, but I am using here light soya sauce. Now I try to toss the rice. Not bad. It came out well. Now this is done. Finally I am adding the spring onions. Half a cup of spring onions that we have to add finally, and just give a toss. And now this is it. It is done. Very flavorful prawns fried rice is ready. Once in a while we can have this variety rice. Even for parties we can make this rice, and we can give for lunch for the children. Meanwhile, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of our new uploads. So very tasty prawns fried rice is ready now. Here you can make chicken fried rice or pineapple fried rice, any variety of fried rice you can make. The recipe is the same, but instead of prawns, if you add the cooked or fried chicken, then it will become chicken fried rice. So please do all try this and give the feedback. Thanks for watching.